It was amazing workshop. We enjoyed a lot and created very lovely connections. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarika and Kishore sir, for a wonderful weekend where we made Ganapati. Thank you so much. It was a great experience. Thank you so much for conducting this workshop.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು. ಭಾಳ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾ ಗಣಪ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. 2 ದಿವಸ ಭಾಳ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸಾರಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬೇಸರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. How did you feel about the workshop?
Thank you, Sarika ma'am, Kishore sir and Amit sir for this wonderful initiative. We thoroughly enjoyed
Thank you ma'am.
to be part of this workshop. Really, really, it is very useful and very experience was very nice. So thank you, Sarika, thank you, Amit, thank you for this workshop.
ಇವತ್ತು ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿವಸದ್ದು ಗಣೇಶ ಮಾಡೋ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಮಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಾರಿಕಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿಶೋರ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸರ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇನೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಮಿತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾರಿಕಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
Hello everyone. It was a 2-day workshop of eco-friendly Ganapa making by Sarika and Kishore, and we really enjoyed this session a lot. And thank you so much. And it turned out to be very great with their guidance. Would love to have one more workshop next year. Thank you. Definitely.
ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಗ್ರಹ. You can speak also of your own Ganapati, okay?
But I'm not speaking. It's okay.
ಹೆಸರು ನಿಂದು? ಹುಷಾರ್.
Wonderful experience. Thank you for the support. It's very appreciated. Thrilled to be part of the amazing experience. It was a great experience. Enjoyed it. Very beautiful experience. Thank you so much, Sarika. Thank you, Sarika, for this opportunity, and I feel useful to make this donation.
Sir, your experiences.
ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗನ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆದ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Thank you. Me? I'm having a wonderful time and a hectic one, of course. ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೇನೆ. I guess everybody enjoyed this and it shows on their face, and the Ganeshas, of course. Thank you, Dharwad, Hubli. Thank you so much. But in the merge ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನೋ ಇದ್ರು any part of the body merge.
शुक्लवर्णं तथाष्टमम्
लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजं च धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्
नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्
द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं परम्
द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं परम्
विद्यार्थी लभते विद्यां धनार्थी लभते धनं पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम्
विद्यार्थी लभते विद्यां धनार्थी लभते धनं पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम्
जपेत् गणपतिस्तोत्रं षड्भिर्मासैः फलं लभेत् संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः
जपेत् गणपति